Good afternoon, and welcome for the planning briefing for St. Patrick's Day, March 17, 2020. So looking at our current satellite view, you can see this low, a counterclockwise movement in the clouds off of Southern California. That's the low that's been bothering us all weekend. It dropped south along the coast, brought some cold air across, a little bit of light snow to some areas, and some wind. Well, that's going to begin to move off to the northeast, and that's what we're going to talk about in the next few minutes. So our summary, tonight, another surge of cold air. It's going to be mainly a wind event. It's going to bring some breezy north and east winds to western Montana, and then the highest gust you're going to see in northwest Montana. We'll see a graphic on that. A little bit of light snow for the divide and south of I-90. Excuse me. The best chance for light snow and fog is going to be at our passes and along the divide. Lost Trail, Homestake, and McDonald could see an inch, possibly 2 inches. And then the valleys of Bitterroot Valley, Georgetown Lake, Anaconda, and Butte could see up to an inch. I think the Bitterroot Valley is going to be more along the lines of a trace to an inch. Then on Thursday and Friday, there'll be another surge of cold air with light snow along the divide and some breezy winds. And then Friday, we could be looking at a weaker version of what happened this weekend, but the models are divergent, so there's not a lot of confidence in that. Those maximum wind gusts that we were talking about, as you can see, they'll probably peak overnight tonight, and we're looking at possibly up to 40 miles per hour in northwest Montana. And then for the rest of western Montana, 20 to 35 miles per hour. The further north and east you are, the stronger your wind gusts are going to be. All right, here's a simulated radar loop. As you can see right here, originally the moisture is going to push up, and then you can see it changes and it gets pulled across the divide on Thursday. So, total snowfall by tomorrow, we're looking at less than a half an inch in most of our valleys. And for up at pass level, Lost Trail, Homestake, McDonald, 1 to 2 inches. And we'll show that in the graphics. But the most important thing, if you look at this percent chance, all right, for the valleys, it's very low that we're actually going to get to an inch. So I would say a trace to an inch. But for those passes, I do believe it's going to be about 1 to 2 inches. McDonald Pass just before midnight, it's showing the best chance to get up to 1 inch. Homestake has 2 periods. Initially, just after midnight tonight, and then as that push of cold air comes on Thursday, another possibility of getting another ½ inch. Lost Trail, it's pretty consistent through tomorrow afternoon. That's where the best chance for 1 to 2 inches is. All right, so our threat matrix. For north central Idaho, we're going to have low threat tomorrow, and that's going to be for snow at pass level. Northwest Montana, southwest Montana, winds, snow at pass level for northwest Montana, and snow all levels for southwest Montana. And then Lemhi County, snow at pass level. I kept mentioning Lost Trail. That's the best location that you're going to see for some snow. And then on Thursday, we have winds for northwest, west central, and southwest Montana, and then snow at the pass level. Let's look at an outlook. The outlook's going to kind of back up our basic message. Above average precipitation through the next 10 days and below average temperatures. So we're going to stay in this pattern that we've been in. Chances for light snow, breezy afternoons when that cold air is coming across, and below normal temperatures. All right. Thank you for coming to our presentation. I hope everyone out there stays safe, and we'll be back with you on Thursday the 19th.